Sovereignty. It is not fighting, asking for permission, or protesting. It is creating a life that feels safe, fulfilling, and expansive. Welcome to the Sovereignty series. I'm so excited to share this library with you. My extensive collection of tools, practices, and knowledge that will help you live the sovereign life you've been tirelessly researching about through scattered resources that don't connect enough dots.
Yeah, there's a gap, actually, in medical care. Surprise, surprise.
This ever-expanding series is years of my research and development that establishes a foundational understanding of what's not working and what we can do about it.
You know, we just have to trust these theorists that they actually exist, you know.
I ask questions that I have never publicly asked. I expose deceptions that liberate us to more beautiful truths. I'm Dr. Kelly Brogan, and I'm a conventionally trained medical doctor, and as a former insider, I know the way that science is used to program us into fear, struggle, and small living.
Why the body is doing what it is doing.
This is the content that they continuously ban, censor, and cancel from social media, podcasts, and search engines. I'm so excited to finally launch this series on a platform that can't be taken away from us. Let's dive in and see what's currently included in the collection. Starting a garden, living a school-free life, raising your own chickens for eggs, learning fermentation basics, getting off your smartphone, journaling for clarity, connecting to those who do not share your beliefs, working with triggering and upset, understanding the power of urine therapy and water fasting, exploring conscious contraception and pregnancy release, collecting your natural medicine cabinet, questioning assumptions about biology like cells, DNA, and genes, exploring fear-free models of illness, resolving fear of contagion and infection, illuminating patterns of victim consciousness, identifying psyops, understanding the nature of this realm and planet.
But we get a lot out of our victim vibration, and we cannot actually step out of it until we are ready.
You'll have lifetime access to these materials, and as the library keeps on growing, your purchase guarantees permanent access to all future releases in the Sovereignty series. This is a massive value at the lowest price it will ever be. Lifetime access, explore at your own pace, over 20 plus hours and growing of industry leader curated content. Recognize the patterns keeping you stuck. Optimize your sovereign well-being.